afternoon, everyone. My name is Prasad Patil, and today we are going to see the execution of turning on and turning off the LED light using Adafruit with the help of NodeMCU. Now, the thing that we are using here is we have a Node MCU with the Wi-Fi setup mounted on it, and there are nearly 8 digital pins. And here we have connected the resistors of 330 ohm, and the pin is and this pin, one end of the resistor is connected to the ground, and another end of the pin is connected to the negative terminal of the another pin is another end of the resistor is connected to the negative terminal of the LED, and the positive terminal is connected to the D1. So if you see here, it's I hope it is visible. Here it is D1. At D1 it is we have joined the wire. We have connected the wire, and then it is connected uh, to the USB. Now in this part, first of all, let me tell you one thing over here. Earlier we had done this creation of dashboard. So with the help of this dashboard, so whenever I press anything like press on or off, it is going to reflect the changes on the LED as well as on the serial monitor. So here we have studied about the creation of a block. This is one block counter, this is another block button block. So with the help of these buttons, we can turn off or turn on the particular LEDs or any systems or devices or appliances. So let us look at the code. Here we are including the header file ESP8266 Wi-Fi.h, and then Adafruit MQTT.h, and as well as MQTT client.h. So these are the header files. Then we have WLAN SSID Sonu Patil, and another WLAN SSID WLAN pass Sonu Patel 123. Here we are defining the AIO server. So we are using it in io.adafruit.com. Now, what is the AIO server port? The AIO server port is 1883. So here it is 1883. Then we are using AIO username. So the username that we have got is here is where it is. No, here it is not there. I think it is in dashboard, right? So here in a key section, you can find the IO username is this. You can copy paste an IO key. So you can copy paste these things, okay? And then then what we can do is we can include those things into the double inverted comma for a username as well as key. Then we are creating a class Wi-Fi class to connect to the MQTT server. So this is the class is Wi-Fi client, and the object is client. Okay, now okay now we are setting up the MQTT class by passing in the Wi-Fi client and MQTT server and login details. So so after that we are setting up the feed also for publishing, and then we are noticing the path for AIO, and then we are setting up the feed called on off for subscribing to the changes. So Adafruit MQTT subscribe on off button, in that we are storing Adafruit MQTT subscribe ampersand MQTT AIO username double inverted comma feeds gauge name. So this gauge name you'll get it from here. So if you see here, uh, how will I get to know about the gauge name? Okay, so I have to go to the edit and then select this. You can go to the block info. So when I go to the block info, here you can see API URL. So in API URL you will get http io adafruit.com API v2 Prasad speaks feeds gauge demo. So the feed name will be gauge demo. So you need to type this word. Just wait. Yes. So now we have we have written this the gauge demo over here. So we have written the feed name over here. Then we will go to the there is one method called mqtt connect, which is a definition for mqtt connect function. We have just defined it, and then we will see the method later after a loop method. Whenever the loop method comes, we will try to explain that. Now serial dot begin 115200, and we are giving a delay of 10 microseconds. And after that we are saying d1, because we have inserted a pin from led to the d1 section, and which is the output. And then we are printing serial println f ada fruit mqtt demo. Then we are connecting to the Wi-Fi access point. Okay, and after that serial dot print connecting to, just we are printing the statements. So Wi-Fi dot begin wlan ssid comma wlan pass. So where are the values, the ssid, and so this is Sonu Patil 123. Sonu Patil is ssid, and pass is Sonu Patil 123. So you are we are passing these values. Just wait, we are going down. Okay, so once we pass, then we are saying Wi-Fi dot status. So uh, status is one kind of instant method under Wi-Fi. When it is not equal to WL connected, then we are giving a delay of 500 microseconds. 500 microseconds, and then we are saying serial dot print dot, we are giving dot, just like we are giving the waiting period. Serial dot print, and then we are saying Wi-Fi connected. Once it is getting connected, once it has got connected, then we are providing the IP address. Okay, how we can provide IP address? By specifying Wi-Fi dot local IP open close bracket. Then we are setting up the subscription for on and off feed. So what we are writing here, MQTT dot subscribe ampersand on off button. Now let us go to the loop method. So in loop method we are calling MQTT. In loop method we are calling mqtt function, so which is written at the bottom. So let us go to the mqtt function. So what exactly we are doing in mqtt function? We are ensuring the connection to the mqtt server, it is alive, means like the connection is existing. This will make the connection first connection, and automatically reconnects when it is disconnected. So every time we are calling this function in a loop method. So let us see the code of this function. Okay, int rt, this is a special type of data type which is used in the networking systems. Okay, and we are declaring a variable which is called as ret. Then we have, if mqtt is connected, then we are saying return, means what, we are stop. If it is already connected, then we are stopping. If it is not, then what we are doing, connecting to mqtt, then u int 8t retries is equals to 3. So this is another variable whose value is initialized to the 3. So ret ret equal to mqtt dot connect. If it is equals to 0, connect will return when the network is connected, it will return a 0. So serial.println mqtt connect error string ret. So we are passing the value, whatever the value we get for ret. So after that we are printing a statement retrying mqtt connection in 5 seconds. Mqtt again we are disconnecting. So what we do here, we disconnect the packets, then we are giving a delay of around 5000 microseconds, means 5 seconds. After that retry minus minus, if retry is equals to 0, then while equal to 1. So here we are giving a while loop, and after that, after outside the while we have serial.println mqtt connected. So now let us go to this part. So we have called the function already, we have explained this function mqtt connect. Now we will go for the subscription, okay, of the means like this is to this is for the subscription. So we are defining here Adafruit MQTT subscribe asterisk subscription. While subscription equal to MQTT read subscription 5000. So when I say this, it will go into the it will go into the inside loop. Okay. Now if subscription equal to ampersand on and off button, if it is equals to on and off button, then first it will print serial.print f got on, means like if it is off, if the connection is off, then it will give the message 0 on the serial monitor. If the Wi-Fi is connected, the LED will turn on the devices, and here we'll get a message as 1. The string status is equals to character star on off button dot last read. Okay. After that, what is there, serial dot println, then we are showing the status. Okay. Status means what? Status means whether it is 0 or whether it is 1. Okay. Now if the status is equals to 1, means what, if the value what we got is 1, then what we are writing, we are giving instruction to the led d1 comma high, means what, at the d1 point on the digital section of your node MCU, we are connected the LED, and we are giving instruction that it should be high. What does it mean by high? High means there will be existence of the current within the wire. This leads to the or turning on off of the LED. Else, if status dot equals to 0, if the LED, sorry, if the connection is not established, then the value will be 0. So when the value will be 0, we are giving instruction to the led to be low. To be low means what? 0 voltage in a led. So we are passing 0 voltage. Then it means what we are saying, from d1 point of the digital section of node MCU, we are saying that there will be no current, means led will be turned off. So this is how we do. So let us see the execution part of this program. First we will verify the code or sketch. Once verifying, we'll do the upload part. So in upload part, we'll get a confirmation whether it will run or no, whether it will be uploaded or no. If there are any errors, it will prompt the errors in a dialog box. So let us see. Okay. So uploading is done, right? So here on io.adafruit.com. I have already created one block, and this is a block. This block I have not connected to the coding part. Only this block I have created. So first I will do the save layout because already I had edited. So the moment I press here, okay, the moment I press here on, see here it is 0. The moment I press here, what will happen? The led will turn on. Okay, so when the led will turn on, what we got is equals to 1. Okay, it means what? The connection Wi-Fi is established. If I say turn off, so when I turn off, automatically the led will be off, and the message we got here is 0. So this is how we can control the devices with the help of internet, to control over a long distance. So suppose if you are in office and if you want to control the light system, if you want to control any devices staying remotely, we can do it with the help of IoT, and with the help of specifically with the help of NodeMCU. So this is all about the turning off or the LED on and off, and connecting the Wi-Fi with the help of NodeMCU. I hope you like this session. Please like the video and subscribe the channel and share with your friends. Thank you and have a nice day.